Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding what you want to build and why, then map the one measurable result you'll accept. Once done, audit only the prerequisites that directly block your first task. Skip optional extras. Make sure to pick a single small project that forces you to apply core concepts immediately. You will learn faster by doing. Early successes motivate you. Commit to finishing that tiny feature before returning to more tutorials, and track progress with a simple checklist. You now move into iterative execution. Pick the smallest slice of functionality that delivers value and start coding or practicing. Once you complete that slice, test and reflect briefly, then expand. This keeps momentum and prevents endless learning loops. Make sure to use micro-resources, Stack Overflow answers, docs, or a single short video for concrete obstacles rather than resuming long tutorials. By alternating short builds and targeted learning, you convert passive consumption into concrete skills and a work you finish by shipping one tangible deliverable, then pause to write 3 lessons you learned and one next step goal. This closes the loop and prevents aimless continuation. Once done, do only essential cleanup. Refactor when it reduces complexity or fixes bugs, otherwise defer. If you hit a blocker, isolate the problem and produce a minimal reproducible example before seeking help. This saves time and yields precise answers. That single troubleshooting habit will break tutorial cycles fast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.